Hey everyone, just a quick video to finish up part 3 of this 1.4a operations on functions. I want to show you how to do it with a graph. Just basically read the graph off and figure out your points and then do the calculation. So we have f plus g of 2. Oh, first of all, let's fix this typo here. This should not be an H. There's no H in the graph, so that's F. So we got that fixed. So F of 2 plus G of 2. F of 2, we look at our graph here. F of 2 would be right up here, so see that yellow line there, and then carry over to make it be 5. So that would be 5 plus G of 2 is at 1. You can see there I'm marking it with my laser. And then my answer would be 6 when I add those together. See if you can do F minus G of minus 2 on your own. We'll leave that for classwork. The next one, and then I'll go back and fill it in. The next one is F times G of 0. So that would be F of 0 times G of 0. Hopefully you don't hear that motorbike running too much over there. So F of 0 is going to be, let's see, it would be at 3. G of 0, look over here, it would be at 2. Multiply those together. Oh, I got 6 again. A lot of 6's going on here. D. See if you can figure that out, but then make sure you pay attention to the domain on that one. Okay, I'm going to try to do this with my headset, try to minimize background noise. So this one here, G over F of negative 4, you would find G of negative 4 over F of negative 4. Try that one for classwork, and then think about what the domain should be. And then I'll do this one here on F. Okay, so for F, I'll do that one out for you. It's kind of a longer one. So we have F of 2 times G of 2 minus, just doing my AROC formula, F of negative 4, G of negative 4, all divided by 2 minus 4, average rate of change. So now I can use what I did previously. If you've gotten these answers done, that would have helped you. So let me fill those in actually. Okay, so we're going to pause for a sec there on that one. I want to point out what your classwork answers should have been. F of negative 2 minus G of negative 2 is 1 minus 3, and that gives us negative 2. Classwork for D, we have 4 over 1, and that's 4. So I wanted to point those out because we can use the info from A and D to help us with this, so we don't have to reinvent the wheel. The domain on D had to be x not equal to negative 3 because that would be where it's equal to 0 on the graph. So now let's go back to the AROC. So if we have F of 2 times G of 2, we know that F of 2 back up here was 5. So we end up with 5. And we have G of 2 is 1 right here. So we can use that. And then subtract. And again, we want to use this info here. So we have f of -4 is 1. And g of -4 was equal to 4 that we figured out earlier. And then we want to calculate the bottom. 2 minus -4 would be 6. And then this top numerator comes out to be 5 minus 4. So that's just going to be 1 over 6. And that is our answer. So that's done with 1.4a, and then I'll get 1.4b going on up there for you.